how to add a status to my log. If I want to add a status to a previous time in my log, I'm going to tap on Menu, View Logs. I'll navigate to the date of the log that I want to edit. In this case, I'm going to edit today's log. I'm going to tap Edit at the top of the screen, and I'm going to add a status. Tap Add Status. I'll be presented with an Android clock. I can tap on the hours and the minutes to select the time of my event. So I'm going to tap on the 6 for the hours, and I'm going to change that to 5, and I'll make the edit for 5:50, and then tap on the AM. If I've made a mistake and I need to go back to the hours or minutes, I can tap again on the hours field or the minutes field, AM or PM. You'll notice that some times on the clock are grayed out. That means that there's an existing driving event that can't be edited. Other than automatically created driving events, I'm able to add a status at any time in the history of my logs. Once you've selected the correct time for your add status, I'm going to tap OK. You'll see the event time displayed in the top left. Beneath that, the status. By default, we're adding an on duty. If you want to add a different status, just tap on duty and select from the list of status options. All statuses that I'm adding require a location and an annotation. I can copy the location from the previous or the next event by tapping Copy Previous or Copy Next. In this case, I'm going to do a Copy Previous, and it's populated the city, the state, the vehicle, and the odometer and the engine hours. Make sure that this information is correct for the time that you want to add this status. The last step is going to be to add an annotation. I'm going to say forgot to log in. We do use an autocomplete to make typing easy for you, and this autocomplete learns as you use the tablet. So it will auto-populate with the most frequently words used. In this case, forgot to log in, and then done. Once all the information is correct, I'm going to tap OK, and that status will have been added to my log. At this point, I can add additional statuses, or I can tap on the edit icon, the pencil icon to the right, to edit statuses. When I'm done making any edits or adds, I need to remember to tap Finish in the top right-hand corner of the screen. Once I've tapped Finish, I can see any edits that I've made or status adds displayed in red. Normally, events are displayed in black and white. I've got here the 5:50 a.m. status change to on duty with a note of forgot to log in, vehicle 1111. And that's how to make an add status. Well, let's also talk about how to edit an existing status. Same process as adding a status. I'm going to tap Edit at the top. I'm going to scroll down to the event that I want to change. Let's go ahead and change this 5:30 p.m. event, this off-duty event, by tapping on the pencil icon to the very far right. This is going to bring up all the information about that status. Any fields that cannot be edited will be grayed out. In this case, I'm not able to change the location. I can change the time, the status. I can add a vehicle, odometer, engine hour, trailer, and a shipment, however. I'm going to go ahead and change this off-duty to a 5 p.m. off-duty. So we'll tap on the event time 5:30. I'll leave the hours alone. I'll tap on the minutes, and I'll change the minutes to 5:00, and then tap OK. If I don't want the status to be off-duty, I can tap on off-duty for a list of status options, just like when we added a status. The last step will be my annotation. In this case, I forgot to log out in time. And keep an eye on the autocomplete to help you finish without having to type complete words. Then hit Done and OK. I've now edited this 5:30 p.m. off-duty to 5 p.m. off-duty. And then don't forget the last step is to tap Finish. One final note, anytime that I make an add status or an edit to an existing log that's certified, it will uncertify that log. You can tell if a log is certified by the banner just beneath the graph. If it's certified, it'll say the date and time that it was certified. In this case, it says not certified. I'll be prompted to certify this log when I log out, but I can do it now by tapping Certify at the top of the screen. And that concludes adding and editing a status.